Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Upwork desktop app and signing into the account tied to the active contract. Once done, grant screen and accessibility permissions so screenshots and activity are recorded, otherwise tracking stops. Then open the contract and click Start Session to begin automatic capture. Upwork takes screenshots every 10 minutes and logs activity percentage via keyboard and mouse input. Make sure you select the right contract before starting, because time tracked under the wrong job is harder to move later. Once you're tracking, manage sessions proactively. Pause and resume for breaks so your activity percentage stays accurate, and use the app tray or menu for quick control. Make sure to add short, descriptive notes for each session so clients see context alongside screenshots. If you must add manual time, do so sparingly. Enter exact start and end times and a concise reason, because clients review manual hours carefully. Also check settings for webcam, screenshot frequency, and network usage to balance privacy and billing. To finish, stop the session and immediately verify the recorded time, activity percentage, screenshots, and notes so nothing is missing. Once satisfied, the hours appear on your weekly timesheet for client review. Confirm the client sees the entries and submit any necessary invoices. If something goes wrong, like no screenshots or zero activity, first check OS permissions, then restart or reinstall the app and make sure firewalls or VPNs aren't blocking data. If problems persist, contact Upwork support with logs and a clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.